I hate that.
Are we gonna have a? Are we gonna? Okay, we're gonna say a few words.
So, yeah, someone's gotta say a couple words.
It was a good bird. I'll say it. I killed it, but it was a good
Just
bird.
adding insult to the.
Oh wait, God, put the payment.
Do you keep missing?
Take it to the boat.
Let's see if I can get it from here. Here, hold me.
He
up.
was.
I feel like we should do a little hand.
We should do a Viking. We should. Hey, everyone, hold their hands. No. We should do a Viking funeral. Put the shit on a boat and light it on fire.
Oh, my pool's not
We can
filled
use it
up.
for target practice.
Who did this? Yeah, we can put it on the can. And
Yes, go for it. It was a good bird. It sat on the fence real nice, like.
It was beautiful.
It was pretty.
Okay, you know
But
what?
it took a shit on your yard.
What's
Not
her
only
name?
no,
We
I'm fine with that.
We did declare a
Bird had to
jihad.
come What's her name?
What I
How do you know it was a her? You
Oh,
did it
someone
with
check
a
it.
vagina?
Let's just say it's a he. Just for.
Can we call her
Birds have
friend?
penises?
ducks.
Oh no 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 no.
Ducks
The
have,
birds
like,
and the bees.
spirally
No, the birds and
penises.
the bees.
Exactly.
And
The
like.
birds and the bees. The birds and the bees. What's the story between them? That means birds have to have penises, don't they? From the story of the birds and the bees.
I always thought the bees
what
were
is
the
the
ones.
story of the
birds?
So the birds are fucking bees now? What's
No, I
going
thought
on?
the bees were fucked the birds because the bees have stingers and those.
Yeah, but the bees die after the stinger goes, so it's like you have sex and oh, you're fucked 2 hours later.
Okay, let's get back.
You mean that's how it is?
Let's get back to the bird.
I said
the
that's why they're a
name?
stupid animal.
What's the name?
We buried
Charlie.
the
One of the illegal
Tweety.
things.
Charlie.
Tweety. Tweety.
Illegal.
Tweety bird.
Tweety. Oh no.
And we can call and Sylvester finally won one.
Let's call him Azazel.
Why?
I don't know. I like the name.
Oh, I feel like I've heard this one.
Hey, let's call her Sky. Sky.
X-Men.
Let's call her
Yeah.
Sky.
Steven
Sky?
Steven Sun.
Sky?
Stevenson.
Sky?
Sky.
Sky?
where you shot off.
I'm okay with Sky.
Sky? Sky?
What's that?
Yo, who installed your fence? Yo, dog.
Nickname for her?
No.
Yo, who
DJ Sky or something?
who installed your who installed your fence?
I don't know.
You know. Okay.
Who, what?
What's the name brand? You know anything like that about your fence?
Just call her Sky.
Okay, let's call it Sky. All right, hold on. Ashes, dust to
Oh my
dust.
God,
Oh no,
gross, that's twitching.
it's like ashes, dust to dust, and all that shit.
It's not twitching, it's a
That sounds like a witch. Like a-
Ashes, dust to dust. They do that when you're funeral,
Oh, okay.
Christian funerals, I think. I don't really know.
Never been to a
No,
Christian.
you know, I feel good for the bird. It got to relieve itself at the fort.
it got to take a shit.
Bird.
Well, I wish I don't get shot right now. I'm gonna take a shit.
Oh, you know what? Next time I take a shit,
I'll
I'll be like, what the fuck is that? Fuck is that?
Oh my gosh.
Like that cat. The fuck is that?
The fuck was that?
Yes.
The fuck is this?
Yes. Out of curiosity, how strong are your windows? Fuck off.
Okay, let's go. Let's bury him.
Okay.
Oh.
Goodbye,
You know what?
bird.
You know, Sama's
Glad you
Arab
admit
name
that.
translates to sky.
Would you shut up with the Sama references? Like, every fucking thing.
You're gonna shoot